Hi everybody, it's Belle from East Coast Mommy back with some simple, budget-friendly spring DIYs. You're gonna love these. The first DIY is a simple wreath. I started with a wire wreath form that I wrapped in jute twine. Then I tied a little bit of twine to the side and I wrapped it around and around and around as tightly as I could until I ended up with a 2 to 3 inch band. I also secured it with a little bit of hot glue on each side just to make sure everything stayed in place. And when I was finished the wrapping, I also tied it on the other end. Then I grabbed some dollar store florals that I had. I used my floral cutters to cut individual stems to the length that I wanted. I inserted them in between the strands, and I just kept playing with it until I had the look that I wanted. When I was finished, I realized I didn't like the look of the bottoms of the stems sticking out. If you like that look, you can leave it, but I decided to add a bit more twine on the bottom just to give it a cleaner look. And here's what it looks like when it's all finished. I love how this turned out. Another wreath option is to grab a dollar store umbrella, fill it with florals like it's a vase, and secure it with a ribbon. I think this is really cute and easy for spring. Or you could grab a tin pot from the dollar store, add some words with stickers or your Cricut, insert some floral foam and some flowers, and you're good to go. The next DIY is a super simple riser that you can make and adapt to your particular style or taste. I grabbed a plain white bowl and a plain plastic plate from the dollar store. I put some hot glue on the bottom of the plate. You can use E6000 if you want a more permanent hold, but I thought that hot glue would be perfectly fine for what I am going to be using it for. And then I attached it to the center of the plate. When you flip it over, it's a perfect riser to elevate items of decor in your home. Look how cute it looks with a vase of dollar store florals on it. Very high end. You can also use dollar store plates and a dollar store candlestick holder, glue them together to make a tiered tray. I hope you like these spring DIYs using dollar store supplies. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.